Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for July 31st, 2017, final day of the month of July, and it is going to warm up again today. A very similar day to yesterday as far as cloud cover goes. We didn't see any clouds in the sky until we got toward the late afternoon hours, but even then it was still considered mostly sunny at that point, and that's, I think, we were going to be dealing with that today. Starts off bright and sunny, then you get a couple clouds filtering in, but just, a few here and there, not a big deal, and then the same thing toward the evening. You get back to mostly sunny right before the sun sets, and then you get into clear skies overnight. So high pressure is going to be in control of our weather today. We are going to have the temperatures increasing, however. Temperatures going to go up probably about 4 or 5 degrees from what they were on Sunday. So if you did get to about 82, 83, 84-ish, you can add another 4 or 5 degrees on that today. So it won't be too oppressively hot. I don't think they do. The humidity values are going to come up a tick. It was very, very low over the weekend, so we are going to have the humidity values go up a little bit, but nothing is going to be outrageous to deal with today. Going forward, I don't think you're going to be dealing with any precipitation in our coverage area here on Tuesday, even though there's something shown here. Maybe across I could see something very straight, 20% chance or less across the far northern tier. I wouldn't get too excited about this, though. I don't think. I think most areas are partly to mostly sunny again here on Tuesday. We're going to get to over the 90-degree mark, or at least get to the 90-degree mark here in Philadelphia. We'll come close to it in some outlying suburbs and outlying areas from East Central PA all the way down into southern New Jersey and Delaware. So expect that here on Tuesday as well. With those warmer temperatures, and we go a little bit forward from this, and we get into Wednesday. Wednesday's a little bit different. It's still showing this isolated threat here, but this is from a upper level trough that's going to be sitting over the area. So this is going to be moving to the north, and it's going to take its time doing that. So both Wednesday and Thursday, this upper level trough could provide isolated to scattered thunderstorms. Here's a look at later on Wednesday. Again, most of the day is going to be dry, so because look, here's most of the day right here through the afternoon. It's not until you get to late afternoon and evening, and then it's just have a straight thunderstorm possibility. Most areas stay dry during this as well, and that's isolated here on Wednesday. A little bit more scattered, though, I think, on Thursday, as that trough axis is still heading over the region, moving northward, so probably a little more widely scattered. This is mostly a northwest of I-95 deal, so if you're down here in South Jersey and Delaware watching this video, wondering if we're going to get rain this week, I wouldn't really bank on it too much. Most of it will be northwest of I-95, and in some cases well northwest, but I think Thursday is your better chance to get some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region. Friday, we're going to have this system probably off to the west. This is going to be one of those deals where you have a very slow-moving cold front in association with this area of low pressure. And I do think out in our central PA counties here on Friday. I was looking at the right day. On Friday, we could have a few scattered showers and thunderstorms in our western counties. I do think it's going to be further east on Saturday with the actual cold front. This is a pretty strong cold front, but it probably comes in later in the day. And even though it's showing this is hanging around for eastern sections pretty much most of the day, I don't buy that. It's probably just going to be a quick line that comes through with a cold front, and that's it. So right now we're going to this is going out now to 7 days in the future, so the models are a little goofy with what they're trying to show. They give the idea that the cold front's going to come through. What the specifics of this are going to be obviously off at this range. So we're looking for a cold front to move through here on Saturday. Probably just a line of showers and thunderstorms, and it's going to be affecting our eastern areas as opposed to Friday affecting the western areas. So we'll narrow down this time as we get a little bit closer. But right now it looks like most of this week coming up here, temperatures are going to be slightly above normal. Nothing crazy, though. Temperatures are going to be in the 87, 88, 90-ish range for a couple days, and then we're going to get to, once we get the scattered showers and thunderstorms thread around, especially Thursday, I think the temperature is going to be held in check a little bit, maybe not really too much, but then we get to the end of the weekend, and the weekend temperatures are going to come down once this cold front comes through. Behind us, we have another big trough sitting back here, and another cool air trying to evade the region that's going to come in eastward behind this cold front once that moves through. And we'll have very similar temperatures to what we had this weekend, where it's very comfortable again. I think they're going to be heading into that again next weekend, but that's going to probably come on Sunday rather than Saturday. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for July 31st, 2017. Have a great Monday.